In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and customize the header in Shopify using the best method available. Whether you're creating a brand new store or just looking to freshen up your current site, editing the header can provide a quick and effective way to make your online presence more engaging. So let's dive in and explore this step-by-step process. To begin, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. This is where you'll start customizing. Once you're there, look for the Customize button. This button is usually located in the theme section of your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you into the theme editor, where you'll be able to see many customization options available for your store. Now that you're in the theme editor, your next move is to click on Skip to Content. This step is important as it allows you to bypass unnecessary elements and focus directly on what you want to change, which, in this instance, is the header. After clicking this option, you're ready to start customizing specific sections within the header. The first thing to consider is the logo position. Click on Logo Position and explore the different alignment options available. These can include left, center, or right alignment depending on your store's overall aesthetic. The aim here is to ensure your logo is prominent and easily noticeable when visitors land on your page. Next, don't forget about mobile users. To ensure a seamless and intuitive experience across devices, click on Mobile Logo Position. This will allow you to adjust how your logo is displayed on mobile devices, maintaining your brand's visibility irrespective of screen size. After logos, let's move to the menu settings. Click on Menu and explore the available styles or options. The menu structure plays a crucial role in navigation, so be sure you choose one that facilitates easy access to the various sections of your store. When you're satisfied with the menu's general appearance, you might want to change the menu type. This step is accessible by clicking on Menu Type, allowing you to tailor the navigation setup further. Depending on your needs, you can opt for drop-downs, mega menus, or other available options that best fit your store layout. Continuing with customization, the Replace option allows you to update specific elements within the header swiftly. You can replace existing content with new images or text, keeping the information current and engaging. Don't overlook the separator line. You can customize this by clicking on Separator Line, choosing colors, shapes, or styles that blend well with your overall theme. Speaking of color, click on Color to adjust header colors, ensuring they complement your brand palette beautifully. Now, click on Utilities to explore additional header functions that can optimize the user experience. Adjusting spacing is crucial for design finesse, so click on Spacing. This option lets you fine-tune the layout, ensuring nothing appears cluttered or misaligned. Fine-tuning continues with padding, where you can add or reduce space around header elements to achieve a harmonious balance. Finally, click on Theme Settings to access a holistic range of options to adjust the full theme beyond just the header. Here, you can ensure consistency across your store, reinforcing your brand's identity in every element. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully customized your Shopify store header, creating an inviting and user-friendly interface for your customers.